In this video, I'll show you how to fix Western Union payment location closed. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to fix the issue where a Western Union payment location is closed, first open the Western Union app or website on your device and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your transaction details and check the pickup method you selected for the transfer. Sometimes the selected agent location may be temporarily closed due to working hours, holidays, or local restrictions. In this case, the easiest solution is to find another nearby Western Union agent location where the receiver can pick up the money. You can do this by using the Find Locations option in the Western Union app or website. Simply enter the city or postal code to see a list of available agent locations and their working hours. Another option is to wait until the location reopens if the receiver prefers that specific branch. Many Western Union locations have specific business hours, so the receiver can return once the location is open again to collect the funds. If the receiver cannot access that location, you may also consider cancelling the transfer and sending it again to a different agent location or using another payout option, such as bank deposit or mobile wallet, if those services are available in the receiver's country. If you're unsure which location is available, you can also contact Western Union Customer Support. Visit their support page and start a live chat with an agent or call their customer service number. Provide your MTCN or transaction details and they can help you find an open location or guide you through changing the pickup method. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.